Which Manulife fund is best? The best Manulife fund depends on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. Manulife offers a variety of funds, including equity funds, bond funds, balanced funds, and global investment options. Whether you're looking for long-term growth, stable income, or capital preservation, selecting the right fund requires careful consideration. First best fund for growth-oriented investors. High risk, high return. If you want long-term capital appreciation and can tolerate market fluctuations, consider Manulife Global Equity Fund. Invests in global stocks providing exposure to international markets. Manulife Asia Dynamic Growth Fund. Focuses on fast-growing Asian economies for high growth potential. Manulife US Opportunities Fund targets U.S. companies with strong growth prospects. Second best fund for balanced growth and stability, moderate risk. For investors looking for a balance between growth and stability, hybrid or balanced funds may be suitable. Manulife Balanced Fund combines stocks and bonds for a mix of growth and security. Manulife Strategic Income Fund, a mix of fixed income and equities offering moderate returns with lower risk. Manulife Income and Growth Fund provides dividend-paying stocks and bonds for both capital appreciation and income generation. Third best fund for conservative investors, low risk, steady income. If you prefer stability and lower volatility, bond and fixed income funds are ideal. Manulife Bond Fund focuses on government and corporate bonds for steady returns. Manulife Money Market Fund provides liquidity and low risk for short-term investors. Manulife Asia Pacific REIT Fund invests in real estate investment trusts, REITs, for stable dividend income. Fourth best fund for retirement and long-term stability. For retirement-focused investors, funds that generate stable income while preserving capital are best. Manulife Dividend Income Fund offers steady dividend payouts with long-term growth. Manulife Target Date Retirement Funds adjust asset allocation based on the investor's retirement timeline. Manulife Global Multi-Asset Diversified Income Fund provides diversified income sources for retirees. Fifth best Manulife fund for ESG and sustainable investing. For investors who prioritize environmental, social, and governance (ESG) factors, Manulife Sustainable Asia Bond Fund invests in ESG-compliant bonds in Asia. Manulife Global Sustainable Equity Fund focuses on sustainable companies with long-term growth potential. Manulife offers a wide range of investment funds suited to different financial goals. Whether you seek growth, income, or capital preservation, selecting the right fund depends on your risk tolerance and investment time frame. Would you like to see how much you can grow your investments with Manulife funds today? Click on the link in the description below.